Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Drupal in cPanel. So I logged into cPanel and I have entered into Softaculous section. If your cPanel does not support Softaculous, you can use Fantastico 3 or other scripts. Okay, so let's go with Softaculous. And here I'm going to check for portal and CMS, and let's check for Drupal. Okay, here you can see Drupal. Okay, so click on that. It should take you to this quick install page. Here you can choose the version for installation. So here, instead of clicking on this quick install, go for custom install. Okay, now here you can choose the version. Let's say, considering we have Drupal 9 right now, so choose 9 from the list, then choose the domain. Okay, so I want to create Drupal instance on its own subdomain. Okay, next would be, let's name this Drupal. Okay, then you have to set your own username and password. Also add admin email. In advanced options, you have to give your database name and also set the table prefix. Okay, so let me add my own. After you finish with the options, simply click on install. Okay, it will begin the installation. Okay, now after the installation is completed, it will ask you to check for Drupal installation on URL. So we'll wait and see if it installed. As you can see, this is the install default page. Okay, so we have to start from scratch on this setup. Also, to log in, we have to use this /user/login page. Okay, here you have to type in your username and password and log in. Okay, and it should log you into Drupal dashboard that looks something like this. So you get the idea how to install Drupal from your cPanel.